So I'm really sick, and I figured that I would cover the song Cough Syrup. Seems to make sense right now. To me, I have had some cough syrup tonight, today, this afternoon. So. Oh my god. Cough syrup.
Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Whoa. A wet world longs for a beat of the drum. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh. If I could find a way to keep this straight, I'd run away. 'Cause I'm fortunate I should have found by now. But life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm coming up now out of the flow. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Oh, oh, oh. The dark world aches for a splash of the sun. Oh, 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 oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away. 'Cause I'm fortunate I should have found by now. And so I run to the place I say it could restore me, restore the life the way it should be. 74 cough syrup to come down. Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing it. Oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away. 'Cause I'm fortunate I should have found by now. Road to the things I say could restore me, restore the life the way it should be. Waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa.